In ancient China, amid the vast landscapes and serene rivers, lived Ailun, a wise and humble individual whose life echoed the profound teachings of a timeless proverb. Ailun understood that the harmony of the world rested upon the strength of the nation, and the foundation of the nation, in turn, lay in the strength of families. Ailun's journey began with self-improvement. He believed that nurturing his own character and virtues was the first step toward contributing to a harmonious world. With diligence and compassion, Ailun sought to embody the values that would resonate through the fabric of society. As Ailun progressed in his personal development, he extended his wisdom to his family, recognizing the family as the nucleus of societal well-being. Ailun fostered an environment of love, respect, and understanding within his home. He emphasized the importance of unity and mutual support, realizing that a strong family unit would, in turn, contribute to a robust and flourishing nation. Ailun's dedication did not stop there. Understanding the interconnectedness of all things, he actively engaged in community affairs. He advocated for principles that would benefit not just his family, but the broader society. Through his leadership and commitment to the greater good, Ailun played a pivotal role in nurturing a harmonious nation. The lessons of Ailun's life mirrored the profound wisdom encapsulated in the Chinese proverb. His journey symbolized the intricate dance between individual responsibility, familial harmony, and the prosperity of the nation. In the end, Ailun's legacy became a testament to the enduring truth that positive change begins with the individual, radiates through the family, and ultimately shapes the destiny